Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a hearty cowboy casserole with a crispy tater tot topping. This one is pure comfort food, so stick around. In a large skillet over medium heat, I am adding my hamburger and my diced onion. I'm using my meat masher to break up the beef really fine. It makes it cook evenly and gives the casserole a better texture. Once the beef is browned and the onions are soft, I'll stir in the garlic and cook for about another 30 seconds. Now I'll season with some salt, some pepper, some paprika, some Italian seasoning, and just a splash of Worcestershire sauce for extra depth. To make it creamy, I'm stirring in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, some sour cream, and some milk. I'll give it a quick stir, and then I'll add in 1 can of corn drained, and I will add some cheddar cheese and let that melt right into the beef mixture. Then I'll transfer the mixture into a greased 9x13 baking dish and spread it out evenly. And now for the best part. I'm going to arrange the frozen tater tots right on top in a single layer. Now I'm going to top it with my remaining cheese and then bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the tater tots are golden and crispy. If you want them extra crispy, broil them for the last couple of minutes, but just keep an eye on it. And we'll be back. All right, it's ready to go. We're just going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. It's creamy on the bottom and crispy on top, and it's so comforting. It looks so delicious. Look at that. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hype it up, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy comfort meals. You guys have definitely got to make this. It was delicious. I'm gonna go eat this. I'll see you guys tomorrow.